In this short video, we're going to discuss how to use the word derive, which is another word on the academic word list. According to the Cambridge Learner's Dictionary, derive means to come from or be developed from something or something else. So it's probably easiest to remember derive as meaning to come from. So we're going to look at two different uses. The first pattern we'll look at is noun phrase plus be derived from plus noun phrase. This is pretty common in academic writing. This example, the word biology is derived from Latin. We're basically saying that this word biology comes from the Latin language. Happiness is derived from a variety of factors. Again, we're saying that happiness, this first noun, comes from many different factors or a variety of factors. Most academic English words are derived from Latin or Greek. So we're saying academic English words, they come from or have their origin in Latin or Greek. A second pattern that we often use is this right here, noun phrase plus derives plus noun phrase plus from plus noun phrase. So let's just look at a couple of examples here. Many people derive happiness from reading. So here we're saying that this subject gets happiness from this noun phrase. So let's look at another sentence. She derives pleasure from listening to music. Or so she gets pleasure from listening to music. So in this case, the meaning is a little bit different, but essentially the whole idea that something comes from something else is still in this use. Some people derive great happiness from rainy weather. So in other words, some people, they gain or their happiness comes from rainy weather. So those are just two of the more common ways to use the word derive.